Hi, I'm Nancy Friedman, the telephone doctor. Our mission is to help improve the way organizations communicate with customers and coworkers. The Hall of Shame we'll be visiting today is dedicated to the men and women who've pioneered poor customer service techniques. We're going to examine 6 inductees, and we'll do it for one reason: to learn from their mistakes. Be aware of what put these people into the Hall of Shame, and you'll avoid following in their footsteps. In each of the following situations, you'll see the wrong way, followed by the cardinal rule that was violated. Then we'll examine the right way, and I'll bet you get the point before the scene is finished. Here's a very common occurrence. Have you ever walked up to someone while they're adding a column of figures, sending a text message, or counting something, and they ignore you while giving full attention to their paperwork, computer, or cell phone? Watch this.
Hi, can you help me?
Be with you in a second.
Yeah, I meant today.
Yeah, be right with you. Yeah. What do you need?
People before paperwork. Let me tell you something. Those pieces of paper don't mind waiting. Either will a computer or a cell phone. People do mind. It's bad enough when customers have to wait for other customers to be helped or for a phone call to be completed, but to wait for someone to count pieces of paper or add a column of figures, that sends a clear message to the customer. It says, you're not very important. What I'm doing is more important than you. You'll just have to wait. Wrong. Bob's last name tells you the story. He's got it backwards. People before paperwork. Of all the situations you're going to see today, this will probably be the easiest to fix. Here's how.
Hi. Good to see you. How can we help you today?
Hi.
That's better. Take care of the customer immediately. Don't make them wait while you finish your work. Cardinal rule number 1. People before paperwork. Let's meet another member of our Hall of Shame. Our next offender is Martha Rush. Martha pioneered the habit of being in a hurry with her customers. Try to imagine for a moment how her callers might feel.
Uh-huh. Got it. Okay, bye. Hi, advertising, this is Martha. Okay, so you want us to change it because it's wrong? Uh-huh. Okay. Look, I'll take care of it. Gotta go. Bye. Hello, advertising, this is Martha. Right. Yeah, I sent it to James on Monday. Uh-huh. Yeah. So call James. Bye.
Martha rushes her callers. Let me correct that. You have to be a business caller to be rushed.
Hi, advertising, this is Martha. Mom, I'm so glad you called. I needed to talk to you. How are you feeling?
Only Martha's customers and coworkers got the Rush Act.
Your arthritis?
If you're a relative or a personal friend, you can have all the time you needed.
What did he say?
Now, all of us get occasional long-winded customers, and we're usually busy, but our callers shouldn't sense that. They need to feel that their call is the most important and the only thing we have to do. The sad thing is that Martha already knows the right way to treat callers. It's the same friendly treatment she used with her mom. Callers should be treated as a welcome guest when they call a company, and all too often they're treated as an interruption or an annoyance. Okay, now that we're aware you shouldn't rush your callers, let's see the right way.
Good morning. Advertising, this is Martha. Hi, Mario. It's great to hear from you. What can I do for you today? Okay. Want us to change that layout? Sure, we can do that. I'll go ahead and make the change, email you the proof, and then follow up with you this afternoon. Anything else I can do for you?
Much better. Callers feel threatened when they're rushed.